guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. In today's video, I am going to be unveiling my new beauty space. You guys have heard me talk about this beauty space for quite some time. I did a video where I was sharing with you guys how frustrated I was with trying to get all of the pieces together to make this room complete. It was taking longer than I thought it should, but I did some retail therapy and that helped me to get through it. But I'm finally at a point where I'm ready to show this to you guys. I'm super excited about this because this means no more backdrops behind me when I'm recording my videos. I can just walk into my beauty space, sit down, and start recording. So with that said, welcome to my new beauty room.
So before I show you guys what my new beauty space looks like, I wanted to show you what it looked like before. I use a backdrop to record my videos. It was taking up quite a bit of space in the room, and I wanted to do something that was going to help me to organize my beauty space just a little bit more. This space serves as a guest bedroom, my beauty space, and my filming room. So I do a lot in this room, so it's going to be important that I decorate this or reorganize this room in a manner that's going to allow it to still satisfy all three of those things. I had been using the dresser and the two nightstands in this room to store all of my makeup products, and that worked for a while, but things were starting to shift to the back. I was stacking things on top of other things, so I just really couldn't keep up or get a good inventory of everything that I have. I even tried grouping all of my makeup by brand and type in their own specific drawer, but that wasn't really working for me either. It got to a point where that was getting overwhelming also. I'm also using this Alex style drawer that I picked up from Michael's on sale, and I kept my foundations, some brushes and sponges, my eyelashes, my primers, and some miscellaneous cords, miscellaneous things in that space as well. So I had to take everything out of all of the drawers. You guys, that was a big task. So I tried to pull everything out and continue to keep them grouped so it would be easier for me to put things into my new storage area. But yeah, this was a task. I did my research, so I knew that I wanted to use the PAX wardrobe system from IKEA to store my makeup collection. So off to IKEA I went. I love going to IKEA. Their showroom floor is inspiring to me, gives me lots of good decorating ideas, and also it's an affordable way to decorate your entire home. So I knew that I was going to be able to find the pack system here, and I knew that it was going to be at an affordable price when compared to other options. In the meantime, there's some painting that needed to be done. There were some walls that were painted a darker color in my beauty space, so the hubby had to get busy priming and repainting those back to the original lighter shade. This is what the entryway to my beauty room looks like. I love it. The color scheme for my beauty room is black, charcoal gray, concrete gray, white, tan, and blush with the accents of gold. I purchased this rug from Amazon. I repositioned my workbench and the Alex-like drawer, placing them side by side. I'm using one of the drawers for all the lashes I'm currently wearing, and the other drawer I'm using just for miscellaneous items. I'll find something else to put in this drawer at a later date. I swapped out my clear plastic chair and decided to go with a white leather chair that has the gold accents. I really love this chair. It does add that touch of elegance to the room, in my opinion. I added blush, black, and gray pillows to the couch bed in this room. It is a guest bedroom, so I needed to keep this couch functional and included in the color scheme for the room. I found these gorgeous ombre curtains on Amazon as well. They play perfectly into the color scheme for this room. These are beautiful. This is the medium-sized pack system. It's 93 inches tall and approximately 29 inches wide, and you can see some of the cute items that I'm decorating with. I showed you guys some of these items during my haul video, and these are the little glasses that I picked up during that video. You guys remember that. And then I also found a place for this little rock to go. This is the larger of the pack system. This is 93 inches tall as well, but it's 32 inches wide, so it's a little bit wider. This sits in the center, so this will be my background in my video. I decided to go with a pull-out tray for this particular shelf, and I think this is a really nice touch. I'm still decorating it, so I just put a few items here, but I've got some room here to add in some other things. Really like this pull-out tray. It's a beautiful, beautiful accent to this shelf. And this is another medium-sized shelving unit, and this is where I'm storing all of my fragrances. And I really like how this looks. I love having this big mirror sitting in the center. I picked up this large mirror from TJ Maxx. I also picked up these little organizers from Amazon, and they help to store my Scentbird fragrances and my travel size fragrances. And to add some additional ambiance and lighting and also a touch of elegance to the room, we took down the old light and added in a chandelier. This is gorgeous. And this is the final result. Welcome to my new beauty space. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.